All right, everyone, a quick update on Velodrome. So we're up almost 30% on the week. We pointed this out last time that the uptrend here on the bottom blue line was holding still. We came down low to the high, perfectly hit the 786 on the smaller fib here at 5, and we got this nice bounce. We're making the market structure here. Of course, we drew. Let me move the right line off of the chart here just so we can clean things up, but it's looking good with the formation here, the 786 bounce. We're back over the macro 0.5 here. I drew the new yellow lines on the chart here just to kind of point out that you can also see in this short downtrend we have formed a symmetrical triangle here, so this could very well be a reversal pattern. And it looks like the moment the price gets over the 618 at 10 pennies, that's going to confirm you're breaking to the upside here. And there still is the risk of breaking to the downside here off of this triangle pattern. This is just a point of consolidation here, and it could break either way. But the fact that we hit that 786 final support, we're forming that market structure, I tend to lean toward this thing bottoming out and we're going to move up. So big prices to watch is 10 pennies, and then of course the point 0.5. If we fall back below the 8 penny range and the price ends up coming down to the 382, then that could maybe tell us that the price is going to end up breaking down out of this pattern. You would drop, you can see 30%, and probably what would take place is that bottom of that triangle, of course, would hold for resistance here. So the price would end up coming down, breaking back below 8, hitting that 6 penny mark, and then it would back test that trend line that we had on the chart, the yellow trend line, the 0.5, and then that would confirm once you get stuck that you're going to end up falling off the table, which you could end up coming all the way back down here. That is always a possibility in the game of crypto here, but I do not think that's going to happen. As I already explained, the 786 support, potential reversal pattern here, higher lows, looking good here. I think once we break over 10 pennies here, this thing's going to have some good candles spawning in on Velodrome. So she's looking good for a bottom being put in here. Hopefully that all made sense. One other thing to point out here, let me go ahead and get some of this stuff off of the chart. But if you guys watched the last Velodrome update, we went all the way out to the monthly chart here. And if we just simply focus on the macro monthly chart, you can clearly see, let me move this one out of the way, that it is holding perfectly over low to the high 0.5 here at that 8 penny range on the monthly candle. So a good look here for Velodrome. So I think the bottom is in, but that is just my opinion, of course. So just keep it that simple. Watch those prices. 10 pennies is your price to beat. Once you break over that, we're going to start moving up, and 8 pennies is your price to hold here. And with all that said, how high is Velo going to go this cycle? We do have a couple of targets to watch here. 3 to be exact. We have the 566 million market cap to the 1618 at 70 cents from where we are right now. That would give you about a 7.5x on your investment. And then if you think Velodrome here is going to hit the $2 billion market cap, that takes you up to about 250 at that 2272, and a very decent almost 28x on your investment here. And then let me just move this one off of the chart. It's not accurate. If you think this thing's going to hit over a $3 billion market cap up to around $5 there to the 2618, that's going to take you up to about a 53.5, 54x from today on your investment, where the potential bottom has been put in, holding over these support levels. So we will see what happens. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.